people are thinking of their pocket and their stomach, and then no youth is being employed. Especially in Dadaab, we have 90% of youth who have finished their graduates, and those who are undergoing their university studies are not employed just because of their pocket and all that. Also, because of we have, according to us, we have poor infrastructures, and this means those politicians are eating the money meant for the youth who could take this money and build those roads or hospitals and all other amenities. Number 3 is there is no financial in the government. This means there is no budget. And if it is, there is no money that shows it's meant for youth. I was hearing Madam Zainab yesterday saying there is a revolving fund from the county government, which means they are giving that money, but they have the rules and regulations. For example, rule number 1 was, if you have a car or a plot that is being have a number, title deed, you will, or logbook, you will provide that one. A youth like me who is in school, can I get a logbook or a title deed from where? So that is, there is no financial for youth. Number 4 is nepotism. We all know the Fafi and the Dadabians. It's obvious. If your brother or your father is an MP or an MCA, he or she will promote his family instead of the other community. Besides, maybe even if he can't promote your family, but some of them will take the money from you, and then they get that position being sold to other person. Maybe you are holding masters or PhD, but they are not recognized. Number 5 is interclan clashes. Interclans means those two communities, they fight each other because of political issues. And these are mainly because politicians are the ones who create